Shoshi just revealed his identity. Shiba Inu is going to go parabolic. A Twitter user at Shiba Inu holder drew speculation over a message posted by Shiba Inu lead developer Shoshi Kusama in January 2022. Shoshi is hinting at something for the Ashed Ship community new partnership incoming. Shoshi's somewhat cryptic message mentioned a discussion with his mentor and the agreement that by the end of 2022 it will become impossible for me to remain invisible. He closed by saying that once revealed, then the real fun begins. In this video, we will talk about Shoshi just revealing his identity. Shibu is going to go parabolic. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Literally, it appears Shoshi will reveal his identity, but divulging his identity does not fit with expectations, causing observers to read between the lines on Christmas Eve. Shoshi said Shram will come very soon while hinting that it may be released shortly after the new year. Shram is an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution and a critical step towards evolving Shiba Inu into more than a meme coin. This includes the release of the Shay stable coin pegged to 0.01 and the functionality to host metaverse and gaming applications. Recent Shibu ecosystem blog posts have covered multiple articles on Shib the metaverse, specifically on concept art reveals of various locations within the virtual world. Year-to-date losses for the Shib token come in at 76%, which is similar to the drawdowns seen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. On Monday, anonymous Shiba Inu founder Roshi deleted all his social media and article posts, sparking concern over the project's future. He made no public statements on the matter, and his Twitter remains inactive in response to Roshi seemingly abandoning Shiba Inu. Lead developer Shoshi posted a reaction on Medium, sharing his thoughts. In the post, Shoshi said he had no information on Roshi's disappearance, but in a bit of a steady concern, he confirmed taking over the project and fulfilling Roshi's vision, which consists of Shib leash bone treat Shiba swap Shay Sharam, establishing Ship meetups, and eventually a Shiba Con. The Shiba Inu price has moved south on its chart over the last 24 hours in the same time frame. Shib appreciated by 3% in the past week. The meme coin also did not register gains, losing a few support lines after losing close to 6% of its market value. Shib has now formed a pattern that indicates that the coin might witness a breakout to the upside in the coming 24 hours. The technical outlook still displays bearish signs on the daily chart. Sellers have remained in control of the price for most of this month, but buyers still have to come to the rescue for the ship to follow through with an upside breakout. According to the technicals, the coin might fall on its chart over the immediate trading sessions and then move to the upside. The trading volume of Shib declined, which supports the notion that buyers have remained low in the market at the moment. Shib is trading 90% below its all-time high, which the coin secured almost 1 year ago. Shib was exchanging hands at 0.00008 over the past week. The Shiba Inu price fell from the 0.0082 support line. Shiba Inu is expected to fall below the 0.00008 level as buying strength remains low. It has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern which reaffirms that the coin could witness a rally due to a breakout. The first local support stood at 0.000076, after which the meme coin is expected to break out. The breakout will cause the Shiba Inu price to rally to 0.824, and clearing that resistance will take the coin to 0.0086. The amount of Shiba Inu traded in the last session declined, which explains why buyers remained low. Shib was in the seller's dominance zone for November and December. The relative index was below the 40 mark after the recent fall in price. The indicator's reading displayed that sellers exceeded buyers at press time, indicating bearishness on the same note due to a lack of demand. Shib traveled below the 20 simple moving average line, which meant that sellers were driving the price momentum in the market. If Shib remains above the 0.00008 mark, the Memek coin will move above the 20 SMA. Other technical indicators have also said ed, with the possibility of the ship's value dropping on its chart. The parabolic S demonstrates the price direction and the trend of the asset. The indicator was above the price candlesticks, which indicates that the price is in a continued downtrend. The moving average convergence divergence presents price momentum and trend reversals. MACD continued to paint red histograms, which meant that this was an indication for traders to sell, as that would mean that the price of the ship could increase in 2022. The cryptocurrency market did not generally shine the brightest. Numerous things happened along with a persistent bear the market that kept the price of cryptocurrencies low. Most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and other altcoins, are currently trading between 60% and 90% below their record highs. Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, is not an exception in this situation. It is unclear at the moment who the mysterious person hiding behind the name is. However, in one of the latest tweets by the Twitter user Shib, the screenshot has been shared with some interesting information. The screenshot shows a message by Kama on Discord where he states that he was talking to his mentor and that they both agree that by the end of the year it will become impossible to remain invisible. The message was from January 21, 2022, and 2022 is about to conclude in a few days. He also stated that you don't just align and disrupt an industry and stay invisible, and then the real fun begins. Only time will tell whether Kusama will stick to his words and reveal his true identity to the whole world despite its initial reputation as a meme coin. Shinu is fast transforming into a value-based blockchain, but it can only achieve the objective by becoming less dependent on legacy protocols like Ethereum, which explains the development of Shibaria, the network layer to blockchain solution. The launch of the Shibarium means most SHIB transactions that take place on Ethereum will now happen on Shibarium. This is a significant development given that high gas fees and low throughput capabilities are the top criticisms against Ethereum. Since Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum, these factors have significantly slowed down the growth of the SHIB network. Despite Ethereum's recent switch to POS network, its transaction speed has yet to improve significantly. Therefore, one of Shibarium's aims is to leverage Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution and boost Shiba's new scalability. Besides faster transaction processing speed and reduced fees, Shibarium also offers several other benefits. However, it is worth noting that the Shibarium launch will make transaction fees highly minimal, and most of these fees will be for burning SHIB tokens. Based on the information from the network team, Shibarium will offer a burning technique for SHIB tokens. One way to transform SHIB into a utility token is to reduce its supply in circulation. Based on SHIB burn data, more than 40% of SHIB tokens have been burned since the network's launch. Supply circulation is still too high and remains an obstacle to its use as a utility token. SHIB developers aim to ensure that Shibarium is one of the most sought-after networks for DS development, especially as DPPs are among the hottest discussions. Topics in the crypto space. The development team believes Shibarium can play an active role in the metaverse. Advocates call it the digital world's future and a new way of interacting on the web, while Shib's anonymous lead developer Kusama states that the Shibarium launch would happen soon but declined to reveal any specific release date. It is not the first time Kusama has stated that the Shibarium launch will happen soon. He has been repeating similar messages for many months. The launch of the Shibarium will likely boost the SHIB's price since it will create more use cases for this token. There will be more use cases for the SHIB because transaction processing speeds are faster and more cost-effective. Hence, the SHIB community expects the SHIB to trade at 0.01 once the Shibarium launches in a related development. SHIB developers state that the release of the much-anticipated Shiba Eternity game early last month was part of the testing phase of Shibarium's performance on the vision of the pseudonymous SHIB. Creator Roshi was for bone whale holders not to have any upper hand compared to other bone holders. However, that vision couldn't happen because Bone was the reward token for the shibaswap. Also, the current information on the network's website states that Bone will be the primary utility token for Shibarium. Bone is SHI's utility token, and its holders can vote on project development. It has a supply cap of 230 million coins. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.